We have a prediction. Bitcoin 100K for December the 13th? Maybe, maybe not. This is not financial advice, but if you want to know everything about that, smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host Rodrigo Arnedo today. Happy, of course, like these people, because Bitcoin's back going up. We are again enjoying our party time with October, November, and Bullsember. Hopefully, so we'll see about that. Any case, we left Bitcoin in 64,500, and right now we went all the way up to 68,000, mostly close to that. And you can see that we are not so far from 69,000, which is an historic all-time high for Bitcoin. Donald Trump happy with all this. We are too indeed. And just 20 days away for the elections in the United States. You can see we follow path of election year 2016. That's why we are going up already. And we might end in $68,000 all-time highs for Bitcoin in election day. We have also the decision of the Fed about the cut of the rates, as we told you in previous videos. Also, we have so good news today, like this statement from BlackRock CEO Larry Fink saying that neither Donald Trump nor Kamala Harris is a factor for crypto prices, as they believe Bitcoin is an asset class itself. Amazing also that he believes that Bitcoin is going to become as big as the entire US housing market. Well, that's a reference. For reference, 1.3 trillion. Well, that's Bitcoin market size, but housing market is north of 50 trillion. Imagine where Bitcoin price can go if this is the case. Not just for Bitcoin, also words from Larry Fink to Ethereum. The role of Ethereum as a blockchain can grow dramatically. And if that's the case, well, consider where Bitcoin price can go, but also where Ethereum price can go. Right now, remember this line we drew some time ago, and we are attempting to breaking it. Here, Ali telling us that every time we bounce from this line, we go up 130% average. So if that's the case, Bitcoin impulse would bring us to 6,000. That would be amazing. But consider also that Bitcoin dominance keeps being really strong. And we told you, comparing Ethereum with Bitcoin, that we might still need to wait till December for that moment, that explosion of Ethereum to occur. Bitcoin spot ETFs had two very good days. One had an inflow of 555 million. The other day, 371. And one of them was a 4-month high, which is, of course, very good. Institutional money coming into Bitcoin. And not just that, development out there. Now, UAE central banks approved the launch of an AED stablecoin. So, yeah, more and more governments in the fight for the stablecoin. And Bitcoin in the daily, well, we draw this line touching all the points that we can, the one we wanted to break, we did. So right now we are adjusting, touching this one too. So let's see if we can push it a little bit more. Red Capital told us here is a good thing for Bitcoin to stay for some time in that point and find a base for the next leg up. Also here, Titan of Crypto telling us that we have that Dow 30. According to that, an uptrend is marked by a series of higher highs and higher lows. And that's what Bitcoin is doing right now. So we are going up. Maybe in a banana time. Well, if we compare 2022, 2025 with 2014, 2017, as we are doing in so many videos, we are about to start this crazy moment. Remember, I told you the possible paths in previous videos. Watch them all right now. We are not following the more pessimistic scenario, and we are 6% up in October. And we attempted to break the 200-day moving average, and we did. And that's good, and that's the main point of today's video. So remember, we've been following this chart for so long when we had this cross of the moving averages as we had it here in 2023. And we were speculating that this movement could be this one, and we are nailing it right now. Well, if that's the case, no one knows. This is not financial advice once more. But if that's the case, we can be in December the 13th in the 100K. It's going to be an amazing Christmas time. Also, you can see here that the monthly chart on Bitcoin, this candle is getting more and more spectacular, breaking all previous candles, and also right now that would be a closure close to all-time highs. So that's okay comparing with 2021. So 6% right now in October, and in the weekly, we are in the second week in the green in a row. We told you that might be the case, and we might have so many weeks in the green right now ahead of us. Watch previous videos, I told you everything there. But if you want to sum up, well, we are here according to a lot of people. Those are the cycles in the past of Bitcoin, and up is the only way if this is the case. Greedy is the market in the 73 today. We're watching the stock market. We're watching dollar behavior. Remember what happened when we touched this line. Told you in previous videos. I told you about the gap in the CME futures, and we keep on watching also this moving average as a support. But today we go a step further, and we can tell you that we are so close for a bullish crossover on the MACD. Long time not talk about this, and the last time we did, we went crazy up. You can check that it's true. And well, another point for Bitcoin's idea of going up. Oliver here saying that we might go as crazy as this to 100K. Hopefully so. And not just that, remember we told you for the other cryptocurrencies, the altcoins, right now in the red, but in 1-2 weeks that might change. We'll see about that, and we will follow all that, of course, with our partners dextools.io, link in the description below. There you have the market condition, the psychological thing that's going on there. You can see there the names that are flooding X, Twitter in the crypto world. Just dextools.io is the tool which will allow you to follow all this madness. Of course, about Donald Trump's son, World Liberty Fee, that allegedly is out there. You can buy it, but I found an error in the website right now. Well, some people saying this has been a fiasco. Other people saying that it's not. They sold about 9 million worth of the token the first day. That's 3% of the way there. 300 million goal. Any case, consider that if you want to buy this, those are blocked since October 2025. So consider that. And again, just follow with dextools.io the chart and see what's going on. About Cardano, we have good news. We validated another block. Remember that we are always in rows with these validations. In any case, we believe that it's better to just buy Bitcoin in Ethereum and sleep like a baby, holding it in a Trezor cold wallet. Remember, we have discounts with some models, and you have plenty of videos in the channel telling you everything about this more safe way of being in the crypto world. Of course, after that, you need a portfolio tracker. The best one is Coin Tracking, is the one I use. You have the link in the description below with a 10% discount. So when your car turns into a really expensive car because you are rich, you have a portfolio tracker to just notice everything. And I couldn't resist to show you this video. Maybe what you are going to tell people when they say you were lucky with Bitcoin after all we've been through. This is the plate you're going to serve them with. Funny guy, funny story. Well, do not be like that, but it was funny in any case. 100 videos we have in our channel, Inteligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Arnedo, so watch them all and learn also about AI I think it's a good idea to know everything that happened with Elon Musk in the last video, for example. And if you want to keep on learning about crypto, Bitcoin, and so on, well, here with Crypto News, Rodrigo Arnedo, of course, health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!